everyone, and welcome back to the Myles Auto Care and Transmissions channel. If you missed last week's video, my coworker Joe and I dived deep into an important topic: why won't my car go into reverse? This was a crucial discussion about transmission trouble that you won't want to miss. Today we're tackling a super common and quite frankly super annoying car problem: that musty, moldy smell coming from your car's AC vents.
Is that me or is that your car's AC?
It's something almost every driver experiences at some point. We'll be answering all of the major questions like why is it happening, what does this mean for your car, and most importantly, how can we help you get rid of that smell? Now let's clear the air on those musty smells.
Why does my car's AC smell musty or moldy?
That musty smell might be from mold and mildew. Your car's AC evaporator gets cold, creating condensation. This damp, dark spot combined with dust and pollen is just perfect for mold to grow. When that fan blows, you smell it. Mold doesn't just grow randomly, something causes it. The smell is unpleasant, and persistent mold can worsen allergies. Most importantly, it signals an underlying AC problem.
So mold doesn't grow for no reason, got it. But what could be causing that smell?
Something is allowing that mold to thrive, perhaps with the evaporator itself. Ignoring it can lead to more costly auto repair.
So how can I tell if my musty AC smell is serious? Are there warning signs?
Definitely, a persistent musty smell is a sign. If you see water inside your car, especially on the floor or the dashboard or the windshield, that's definitely a red flag. Often a clogged AC drain hose, which we covered in the last video. Weak airflow can also relate to severe mold buildup or a clogged cabin air filter. Keep in mind, a moldy smell might signal a leak somewhere else in your car and not just the AC.
What if I notice condensation or moisture inside my car, like on the dash, after a rain, or on a hot day?
Good question. That could be a different issue entirely. While AC creates condensation that normally drains, a film of condensation or excessive moisture inside after rain or on a hot day points to other potential water leaks from seals, the windshield, or even a ventilation problem. That needs a different automotive diagnostic.
Okay, you mentioned a clogged drain hose. What happens if I ignore that?
Ignoring a clogged AC drain can lead to mold growth, as water can't escape. It can also pool and damage your car's interior, including carpet or electronics. For instance, the other week we had a car in with a similar issue. Let's ask our technician in a bottle to answer a few questions for us. Thanks, Gabby.
A couple weeks ago, a customer came in with a 2015 Rogue. They had a concern about the inside of the windows kept fogging up with water after it's been sitting outside, condensation in the interior. When we got in it, we noticed that there was a musty, like mold type odor. Pulled up the carpet, noticed that there was about an inch of water on both sides. We then checked sunroof drains, AC drain hoses, anywhere else that water could come into the car. We then found both sunroof drain hoses clogged, which required the plugs to be replaced, the hoses to be replaced, the whole carpet to come out of the car, dried off, shampooed, deodorized, and completely clean. The customer got the vehicle back it didn't smell like mold, no musty smell. Yeah, that's it. That's the end of the story, right?
So when should I bring my car to a professional?
If the musty smell persists, or if you notice water inside your car, weak AC airflow, or that condensation film on your dash, it's time for a professional diagnosis from our auto repair genies.
What exactly does Myles do to fix a musty car AC?
We start with a thorough AC diagnosis to pinpoint the exact cause. Our certified automotive technicians perform specialized evaporative cleaning and disinfecting to eliminate mold and bacteria. We also handle cabin air filter replacement and ensure your entire automotive AC system is efficient, giving you clean and fresh air.
So professional cleaning is more than just spraying something into the vents, right?
Absolutely. We go deep to the source. Our car AC repair process eliminates mold and mildew at the evaporator coil, providing lasting results and true odor removal, not just masking it.
Where can I get my car's AC checked by Myles?
We have 4 locations across Berks County: Redding, 19607, Birdsboro, 19508, Sinking Spring, 19608, and now Wyomissing, 19610. Don't let a moldy car AC ruin your drive. Breathe easy. Do you have a musty smell or any other car AC problem?
Is that me or is that your car's AC?
Visit Lee Myles Auto Care and Transmissions today for expert auto maintenance and car repair. Your comfort and clean air are our priority. See you next week.